Hello and welcome to my channel Mathematical Coaching Center. So in today's class we'll do factorization part 2. So those who haven't gone through with my part 1, the link is given in the description. So in this class we'll solve some very important past year's questions. So let's start today's class. So here you can see the question. So what the question says is that x minus 3 is a factor of x cubed minus 7x squared plus 15x minus 9, and you have to factorize this polynomial, and you can see this question is 2002. So in this question, what is the new thing is that you can see here there is a factor, and factor means if we put this value to this, it has to come 0. If it comes 0, then we can call it as a factor. So let's do the solution. Let's start solution. So what I'll take is that solution. So let x minus 3 is equal to 0. So I'll take x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this minus 3, when it goes, that's it will be 3. So to be a factor, remainder has to come 0. So note that. So remainder equals to what you have, x cubed minus 7x squared plus 15x minus 9. I'll put the value of x is almost 3 cube minus 7, x is your 3 square plus 15 into 3 minus 9. So 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3, so almost 27 minus 7, don't jump, okay, 3 square is your 9 plus 15 3s are, it's 45 minus 9. So this will be your 27 minus 7 9s are 63 plus 45 minus 9. Now you can see here what we can do here is that I'll subtract this 2, plus minus is minus, so what I'll get, this is your minus 36, plus minus is minus 45 minus 9 is your again 36, so 36 will get cancelled. So what I got, 0. So 0 means what can I say, therefore x minus 3 is a factor of x cubed minus 7x squared plus 15x minus 9. So I got the first answer. So remember that, note that if you have to prove that it's factor, that means the remainder should come 0. Okay, so you can write here remainder theorem. You can write by remainder theorem. So this ends our first part. Now what you have to do is that now we have to factorize this. So when you see to factorize, it's your cubical equation, there is 3. Now to solve this, I'll show you one easy method, that is your synthetic method. So how to do that synthetic method, let's see. Now we'll show you the synthetic method. So in this method, what you will do is that just you will write the coefficient of this x cube. X cube is how much? It's your 1. Next what you have, it's your minus 7. Next what you have, it's your plus 15. Then what you have, minus 9. Now you'll make like this line. Okay, this is the one of the easiest way, and you will get directly answer. Okay, so you can use this method. Now what happens is that x equals to how much they had given, 3 they had given, so 3. This one you'll write as it is. So what is the 1, you'll write like this directly. 3 ones are 3, you'll do like this. Now you'll add this 2, so minus plus is your minus, so minus means this will be your minus 4, this into this. So 3 4s are minus 12. So minus 12 means it will be a 3. Now 3 3s are 9. So this will come 0. Always remember that this last one will come 0. And this is your easiest way, very easy way. So now what we will do is that now we will write in this. So I got this. This is your synthetic method. Now what happened is that now I'll write the factorize. Now next I have to do factorize. So therefore x cubed minus 7x squared plus 15x minus 9. Now what you will do is that now you'll write this factor. So x minus 3 is your factor. Next in another bracket you'll write this. So how to write this is that this will be your 3, this will be your x, and this will be your x square. That means this side will be 1x square, then this side is a minus 4x, then this will be a plus 3. So this is your, now we have to do the here breaking the middle term. So I'll show you the breaking the middle term. Hope so you got it. This, what you'll do, this is 0, this side you will not write anything, this side you will write x, and this side you will write x square, and the same thing you will copy here. Now we have to do the factorize. So how do we factorize this? You know that it's a breaking the middle term. So this will remain as it is. X minus 3 will remain as it is. Now this side you have to do the breaking the middle term. So how will do breaking the middle term? You have done in class 9 only. A3 1 x square. So this 4 is breaking the middle. You'll write bracket. That means I have to use this side curly bracket. So x plus 3. This side is your curly bracket. So I'll show you the revision. So how you wish to do in class 9 is that 1x square minus 4x plus 3. So this you will write as it is. X square, 1x square is x square only, minus, bring the middle term means this 4 you will break into like this. Then x plus 3. If you'll see this side, this is your plus. That means in the middle also there has to be a plus sign only. If it will be minus, then this side also has to be minus. Now this I'll multiply 3 and this one I have to multiply. So 3 ones are 3. Now I have to do the LCM of 3 and 1. So what I'll get in this is that 3, always the bigger number has to be in front. 3 plus 1 is your 4, and 3 into 1 it should come this. So this type of magic. Okay, 3 plus 1 4, 3 into 1 3. So it should match this way. So you have already done in class 9. So I'll not go in detail. Okay, I'll show you here. So what I got here, you can see here, that means this 4 I can write 3 plus 1. That's why it is called as breaking the middle term, because we are breaking the middle term. See, 4 we are breaking with 3 plus 1, and always remember that if it is plus, that means this has to be plus. Now next step, what I'll do, x minus 3, now curly bracket. So this is here, this will be a x square minus 3 into x, 3x, minus plus minus 1 into x is your 1x plus 3. Now what can I do? X minus 3, from this 2 I have to take common. So what will be the common? X2 is there, x. So I can take x common, so it will be x minus 3. And this side there is no common. No common means you know that we always minus 1 will be common. So minus 1 common. Now what happens is that whenever you will take minus, this inside 1 plus will be minus. Why this will be minus? Now see, minus minus is plus. That's why this plus will change to the minus. And always remember that this and this always it should come same. This two always should come same. If it will not come same, then think that you have done somewhere wrong. Now I'll be x minus 3. So what can I do here? X minus 3 you will take common. X minus 3 common. Now what left here? X and minus 1. So you'll write in x minus 1 in the another bracket. So this is your answer. Or you can write this as, since x minus 3 is 2 times, so you can write x minus 3 whole square and x minus 1. So this is your final answer, and it carries 4 marks. So you'll get. So here what you got, you can see the note. If it is cubical equation, you can see here 3. That means there will be 3 factors will be there. Okay. So what happens is then in class 11 you'll know that this all are the roots. So if there is cube, that means it will have 3 roots. 3 roots means you can see I got in 3 factors. Okay. So this is your final answer. Now let's solve this question. You can see the question. What they had given is that if x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2, then find the value of p. So already we have done in my previous sum. What we have done is that factor. Factor means the remainder should come 0. Okay, so we'll take remainder 0 and we'll find the value of p. Now what they are given in the next step is that now by putting the value p, we'll factorize the expression. So let's start the sum. So always you know that what you do, we'll write solution. What you have to take, let x minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore x equals to 2 I'll get. So since already they had given us, since x minus 2 is a factor, x minus 2 is already a factor of 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2. Therefore what you'll get, remainder has to come how much? 0. So you can write by remainder theorem. So remainder has to come 0. So what do you have the expression? We have the expression 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2 is equal to 0. So instead of x, what I have to put now? Instead of x, I have to put 2. Instead of x, I have 2. So 2 cube minus 2 square minus p. Instead of x is 2, so minus 2 is equal to 0. Hope you got it. Remainder is 0 because it's a factor. So 2, so you can write here or. So 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 2 square. 2 square is 2 into 2, 4. Minus 2p minus 2 is equal to 0. Now what I got? 8 2s are 16 minus 4 minus 2p minus 2 is equal to 0. Or 16 minus 4 is 12. And 12 minus 2 is your 10. So 10 minus 2p is equal to 0. Now what can you do? Minus 2p is equal to this. I'll take that side minus 10. So minus minus got cancelled. So p is equal to 10 by 2. So 2 5. So therefore what I got? Therefore p is equal to 5. So I got the p is equal to 5. Now what I have to do? Now you can see in the next question what they are given with the value of p. So we have to put the value of p and we have to factorize the expression completely. So let's put the value of p. P how much we got? 5. So let's put the value of p. So next step, what you'll do? We have the expression. We have the expression. How much we have the expression? Now next step is a factorize. So 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2. So we have this. Now I'll put the value of p. P is how much I got? 2. So 2x cube minus x square. Sorry, p is how much? 5. So minus 5x minus 2. So I got this expression. Now I have to factorize this. So how to factorize this? So already we have done in our previous sum. We'll do what we'll do? Synthetic method. So let's do the synthetic method. So how we'll do synthetic method? Let's see. So synthetic method, what it says? This coefficient we have to write first. 2. Then here is minus 1. Then this is your minus 5. Then this is your minus 2. So we'll make like this. Then x is how much? 2. So I'll take it as 2 here. So first directly I have to write 2 only. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 is your 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 5 is your 1. And 2 1s are 2. Already I have told you that last one should come how much? 0. Now what you can do? This will write. This will be 1 as it is. This will be your x and this will be your x square. Therefore now let's factorize the question. So we have this 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2. The factor you will write as it is, x minus 2. Then in another bracket what you will write? This 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So no sign means it's plus. Now we have to do breaking the middle term. So everyone you know what is breaking the middle term. So curly bracket 2x square, breaking the middle term means we will break this 3 plus. So bracket this 3 we have to break. So x plus 1. So this plus will be in the middle. Now what do you have to do? This 1 and this 2 has to be multiple. So 1 2s are 2. So 2 LCM, 2 1s are 2. So 2 and 1 is I am getting. So 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is your 3. 2 into 1 is your 2. Now x minus 2. This will be your 2x square plus 2x plus 1 into x is your 1x, or x you can write plus 1. Now we have to take common. So what will be common in these two? 2x will be common. You can see here 2x square and 2x. 2x is common. So 2x already I have to go. So x is 2 is there. X left over plus 2x already I have taken. So nothing means there is always 1 is there. Plus, so there is no common. No common means always there is 1 because x into 1 and 1 into 1. So I can take 1 common. So what is this? X plus 1. So already I have told you in my previous sum, these two has to come same. So I got same. That means our process is right. Now x minus 2. These two will be common. X plus 1. This 2 will write single. And this will write in another bracket. 2x plus 1. So this I got the answer and you'll get 4 marks. So this is your solution.